Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the graph of y equals secant x. By definition, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, right? So if this is the y equals cosine of x, now reciprocal of this one, what the secant will be here, y equals secant x, okay? Think of this point. When x is 0, cosine value or cosine 0 is 1. So reciprocal of 1 is 1, which means the cosine x graph and the secant x graph has the same point when x is 0 or function value is 1. And this happens again here and again here. Okay? To graph the secant curve, we first identify the asymptote by determining where the reciprocal of secant cosine is equal to 0. So in this picture here, now this is the asymptote, right? And here this is the asymptote. Why? When cosine x approaches 0, secant x or secant theta will approach infinity. Okay, that's why in this case x is pi over 2 or x equals 3 pi over 2 is the vertical asymptote. Okay? Let me briefly sketch one more time. To sketch y equals secant x, since secant is 1 over cosine of x, I will sketch cosine x first. I will make a grid first. This is 2 pi. This is the pi, right? And cosine graph will be moved from positive 1 here, right? Now, when the graph hit 0 or x-axis here, right? When x is pi over 2, and here when x equals 3 pi over 2. So this vertical line is the asymptote. Now we can sketch the secant here. Okay? Here. And here. Okay, continue. You can use this method to sketch secant x. Okay, with this knowledge, we will solve some question. Solve secant theta equals 2 on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. Again, this is the cosine x. And this is the secant x, right? I will use theta. And question asks us which value of theta, the secant theta, equals 2. From this picture, 2 is here. Okay? So on our interval from 0 to 2 pi, we have 2 solutions here. So your first answer is here, and second answer is here. Okay? To find the exact value, we will modify this equation. secant theta is 2, then cosine theta will be 1/2, right? Cosine theta is a positive number, so which quadrant? In first quadrant and fourth quadrant, right? And cosine is adjacent to our hypotenuse. So how can you sketch triangle with the 1 and 2 as adjacent of hypotenuse? I hope you can sketch this triangle 1 and 2 here, right? And in fourth quadrant also 1 and 2 here. So please note that this is a special triangle whose reference angle is 60 degree. So definitely this is a 60 degree first answer, right? Or pi over 3. And how about this one? If you move 60 more, you will hit the starting point or 360 degree. So this will be 300 degree, right? Or 5 pi over 3. This will be your two solution. So if I label these two number on the graph, this will be pi over 3. This will be 5 pi over 3. Good. If I sketch the secant x one more time, y equals secant x, which is 1 over cosine of x. So if you want to sketch secant x, this is a good idea to start with cosine. Cosine x will be here, right? And to sketch the secant, please sketch the asymptote. Asymptote can be made when your function value equal to 0, right? So this is the asymptote, and this is the asymptote. Good. And this line is x equals pi over 2. This vertical line is x equals 3 pi over 2. Now I hope you can sketch secant here, here, and here. Continue. Okay? Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.